everybody, welcome back to my channel Pharma Agile. This is Devi Sarojini. Now I am coming with another topic, very important topic, HPLC chromatography. HPLC is mainly used in pharmaceutical industry. So in this video I will discuss about what is the principle of HPLC, what is the stationary phase, what is the mobile phase in HPLC, what are the different types of HPLC due to elution technique and due to phase. So different types of HPLC are there. I will discuss everything one by one. Let's start this session without any delay. First one, what is the principle of HPLC? HPLC chromatography is used to separate, identify, quantify and purify components in a mixture. In this chromatography, high pressure used, an essential technique in worldwide laboratories in pharmaceutical industries. The principle of HPLC chromatography is like this. Separation in normal phase or reverse phase is adsorption. The main thing is adsorption here. A mixture of components entered into the column, then they travel according to their affinities towards the stationary phase, which are more affinity towards the adsorbent, that means stationary phase travel slowly, and vice versa, that means which are less affinity towards the adsorbent, they travel fast. This is the principle. What is the principle here? The separation in normal phase or reverse phase is adsorption. Main thing is adsorption here. I will discuss clearly. The separation of the compounds in HPLC is determined by the interaction between each compound in the sample with the mobile phase and stationary phase. This is usually due to the polarity of the sample in relation to the phases. More polar components will move more quickly through the column as they are more attracted to the mobile phase, while less polar components will travel more slowly through the column as it's more attracted to the stationary phase. So this is the separation technique. This is the separation technique. More polar components will move more quickly through the column as they are more attracted to the mobile phase, while less polar components will travel more slowly through the column as it's more attracted to the stationary phase. This is the principle. Let's recap once. The principle is mainly based on separation. The separation based on the adsorption. When we will enter the analyte into HPLC system, the mobile phase transfers this analyte into stationary phase, that means column. Here the separation occurs based on the polarity of the compound. More polar components will move more quickly through the column as they are more attracted to the mobile phase, while less polar components will travel more slowly through the column as mentioned above. This is all about the principle of the HPLC. Let's discuss about the classification of HPLC. Mainly HPLC classified into two types due to elution technique. One is isocratic separation, second one is gradient separation. Due to phase, HPLC classified into two types, reverse phase and normal phase HPLC. In next video, I will discuss about what is reverse phase HPLC, what is normal phase HPLC, what is isocratic separation, what is gradient separation briefly. In this video, I will discuss about what is mobile phase, what is stationary phase. When we will enter the analyte into HPLC system, the mobile phase transfers this analyte into stationary phase, the liquid that moves solute through the column. It transports the analyte into stationary phase. Here the separation occurs based on the polarity of the compound. In stationary phase, the separation occurs where the analytes are separated by adsorption. The analytes from mobile phase moves to the column. They will separated by different interaction with the stationary phase. Let's recap once. When we will enter the analyte into HPLC system, the mobile phase transfers this analyte into stationary phase, that means column. Here the separation occurs based on the polarity of the compound. So the mobile phase transports the analyte into stationary phase. In stationary phase, the analyte separated by the adsorption. Stationary phase means column. The analyte from the mobile phase moves to the column. In column, separation occurred based on the adsorption. More polar components will move more quickly through the column as they are more attracted to the mobile phase.